Today, we're going to talk about purchasing your first ever rental property. If you purchase a home using an FHA loan, you are required to live in the home for at least a year. One of the things that you really need to get a handle on right away is going to be your credit score. The lower your credit score is, the higher your interest rates are going to be and the less money that you can borrow. In rental properties, the nicer the home is, the longer the tenants tend to stay, the more rent you can typically charge, and the more appreciation that you're going to realize in this home in the long term. Another very important factor that you need to take into consideration is exactly what kind of a home do you want to purchase. Another thing that I think is very important is knowing what rents are going for in the area that you're investing in. Remember, when you're purchasing a rental property, this is an investment. So knowing the numbers is really probably the most important thing that you can do for yourself. It's very easy to look at properties and fall in love with one and then find out that the numbers don't work, and then you purchase the property anyways. Investors will look at the houses, run the numbers, look at the worst case scenario, and only make the offer on the houses that make financial sense. Let's say we found a property that we really like. It's $100,000 at a 3% down payment because we were able to do a FHA mortgage. We were able to get $1,000 a month out of it in rent. If I have that house for 20 years and have a renter in it, now for your 20 years that you have invested on this property, you have a rate of return of 7.89% per year. Your total profit when sold, $167,000. Cash on cash return is going to be 1,048.25%. One more example. Let's say you have a $250,000 duplex. Monthly rent, each side is $1,500, $3,000 per month. You end up with almost $1.2 million in total profit. Top two criteria that you're going to want to look for in a tenant is one, the ability to make their payments on time and regularly. You have a mortgage to pay on your home. It is extraordinarily important that your tenant is paying you on time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.